Let's start with January 20th. As you can see, I traded the pair BNB and USDT, also called Tether, which is a stable coin. I initiated a limited buy order for the price of 41.5537 per coin. Since I used all of my money available, I was able to purchase 318.77 BNB. I also had to pay a fee of 0.23907775 BNB, which at that point was about $10, which brings my total investment in that trade to $13,236.0413 USDT. I immediately placed a limit sell order for the full amount of my BNB that I had left for the price of 42.1 per coin, which is a 1.3146% gain, which got filled about an hour later. But I also got charged a fee of $13.41, which brought my total to 13,410.113. This particular trade took an hour and 18 minutes from being in the market and being out of the market. And generated $174, which in my opinion is not bad for me just buying and selling immediately. It took me 5 minutes and then I just had to wait for the price to hit. But let's move on to the next trade. February 5th, I placed an order to purchase BNB against my USDT for the price of 60.5, which got filled and I received 245.54 BNB. I also got charged a fee of 0.184155 BNB, which at that time was about $11, which brought my investment down to 14,855.17. I immediately placed an order to sell my BNB at 61.5, which would be a 1.6528% gain if it got filled. After about an hour, it got filled, and after deducting the about $15 in fees, I had my investment back, which was worth $15,089.02. This particular trade generated $234, which again, pretty awesome. A couple hours later, I found another great opportunity and I jumped back in. I placed another limit buy to purchase BNB at 63.5, which got filled and I received 237.39 BNB. After a fee of 0.178042 BNB, my investment was worth 15,074.26 USDT. Immediately after I purchased the coins, I placed a sell order with the target price of 65. This is a 2.3622% gain for this trade if it gets filled. And it actually filled 44 minutes later, which after fees, by the way, this is an error in the history. I got charged USDT and not BNB. So I ended up with 15,418.65 USDT. This particular trade made $344. As you can see, I only trade between 1 and 2%, but if you're very consistent with it, you will add up and gain more money every trade, which will increase your buying power and then obviously increases your future gains on future trades in a very short period of time. I hope this video helped you a little bit to understand my system. I'm not a financial advisor, that I use to bring my $10,000 investment up to $1 million. I'm still far away, but I'm super excited about the journey. Getting those 1% or 2% every day or every other day is super exciting. I would love to get some feedback in the comment section below. Let me know if that video helped you in any way. If you like to see anything else, I'll be reading the comments for sure. So just let me know. And yeah, until then, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, I would highly appreciate it if you subscribe, because that helps me out a lot. So I'll see you next time.